Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Virgo, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Messages for Virgo. It's sign. What are the messages for Virgo? And wow. Very beautiful reading. Virgo, under the deck, Two of Cups. In reading, King of Cups and Six of Cups. I think you both are, this is a strong soulmate connection. Yes, you both are strong soulmates and you both have strong past life connection with each other. And this love is mutual between both of you. Two of Cups energy. So, recent past, Four of Wands, Six of Cups and Eight of Wands. So, you both are thinking about each other a lot. Six of Cups. You both feel that you both are connected from past lives. And Eight of Wands, there was back and forth communication between both of you in past. Past is everything okay. There is no negative to say anything because Four of Wands, Six of Cups and Eight of Wands. You both are happy with each other. You both want this happy life with each other. Four of Wands energy and Six of Cups. You both are thinking about each other a lot. There was love between both of you in past. And present, Four of Cups, Six of Wands and Eight of Pentacles. So one person in this connection feeling bored, maybe. But it is very temporary. Maybe if your person may be in and out of your life. There is love. But you want success, you want commitment in this connection. Six of Wands. You are very passionate about this connection, Virgo. And you only the person may be working on this connection. Eight of Pentacles. You are very committed to this relationship. But one person feeling bored. Maybe one person feeling lonely. Maybe for some you both have some disturbances. But again I am saying that very little, not very small. Because reading is very positive. And future, the Empress, Nine of Cups and King of Cups. Yes, your person now ready to take this relationship to next level. Future energies, because the Empress may be woman in this connection could be pregnant. And Nine of Cups, your wishes are going to be granted. And King of Cups, yes, someone is ready to offer their love to you. King of Cups energy. And Nine of Cups, your wishes are going to be granted. Yes, you will get commitment in this connection. You will be in committed relationship in near future. And Empress, maybe in near future, woman in this connection going to be pregnant, or for some you are already mother of your kids. Sorry guys for the noise. Railway station. This sound is coming from railway station near our house. So sorry for the noise. Please sorry. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But lot of water energy. So let's see their feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Under the deck, Page of Swords. So let's see your person feelings. Virgo. Emperor. Wow, very, very beautiful and positive reading under the deck 10 of Cups. So, your person feelings the Emperor, 6 of Cups, and 6 of Wands. So, they want to take this relationship to next level. I am saying positive. Maybe very, very few if you are in separation. Definitely, they want to reconcile with you. They want reconciliation because 6 of Cups and 6 of Wands. They want success in this connection. And so, your person may be very successful already. So, maybe for some, your person have small ego also, but they're thinking about to take this relationship to next level. If you are in relationship, they want to marry you, they want to be with you in a committed relationship. So let's see their intentions. Virgo, your person intentions. Yes. So, Three of Cups again, they want reconciliation, they want this celebration with you. Four of Cups, your person feeling something missing with you. Maybe for some who are in separation, they're feeling missed opportunity with you. For some who are in relationship, but marriage is not happening in your relationship due to it could be any reason, family issues or work pressure, but they are waiting for right time. Wheel of Fortune is here, they want to take this relationship to next level. And Queen of Cups, they have strong emotions for you, they love you, love is there. And Wheel of Fortune, maybe your person is planning, but for execution they will take some time because Wheel of Fortune, maybe the situations not in your person control right now, family issues, whatever. That's why your person may be waiting for the right time. Wheel of Fortune, everything in divine timing. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. But it is very, very positive reading. Wow. See, 10 of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles. Yes, your person going to be make some decision regarding this relationship. And 10 of Pentacles with 6 of Pentacles. Yes, they really want to offer stability and they really want to offer equal give and take in this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. You're feeling sad for the missed opportunity, though. I think if you are in separation with your person, you are feeling sad. And King of Pentacles, you also want stability in this connection. And you are right now focusing on your career also. You are getting financial stability, Virgo. And 7 of Wands under the deck. I think you are also very, very passionate about this connection. If you are feeling sad about your person, don't worry because they are taking this relationship to next level. Maybe for some it will take some time, but it will. And Queen of Swords under the deck, the Sun. Maybe one person in this connection is very straightforward and harsh in communication, and the Sun, but you both want this happiness in this connection. There is some communication is coming. For some you are in no contact situation, but there is some communication. You both realize that you both are happy with each other. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Virgo. Seven of Swords, maybe for some you have trust issues. Yes, they are taking it very slow because they are waiting for divine timing. You are also thinking about them and you are also going to make some major decision. You are not expressing your emotions and feelings. You are guarded up right now. Maybe you both have so many emotions for each other but not expressing. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Yes, they want to communicate with you. Maybe age difference you both have between both of you. And 2 of Pentacles, right now your person is juggling. But 3 of Wands, yes, waiting game is going. They are waiting for right progress. Definitely there will be some progress in this connection, positive. And 9 of Pentacles, your person is financially stable already. If not, they are working towards their career also right now. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. And here lot of water energy and earth energy. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. You and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer. So if you are thinking about someone or something that living in another country, another state and worrying about their safety, this is the message. You and your loved ones are safe. Yes. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you. So if you're watching my videos, if you are Hindi viewer, so do watch my other channel, Good Energy Tarot Hindi. Thank you. Please do subscribe.